Some very impressive lightning out there.
We had quite a bit of lightning as that leading edge of storms moved through central Alabama. Also saw a lot of heavy rain and some strong winds in some locations. Here's what the radars looked like over the last hour. And most of the lightning strikes now confined along the I-85 corridor. That's where some of the stronger storms are at this point. And we are left with just general rain showers across much of central Alabama. But I do want to show you where some of the heavier rains falling, some of those lightning strikes are impacting Lee County near Auburn, right along the I-85 corridor, much of Tallapoosa County with heavy rain and also some thunder. Looking a little bit farther back towards the northwest, we've got light to moderate rain showers over parts of Bibb County. Same story over Hale County, moving into Perry County here pretty soon. North of I-20, just some general light rain showers and more rain on the way. We're not quite done with the rain yet, but we are done for the most part with that severe threat as that stronger part of the system moves down to our south. Wanted to point out that we did see quite a bit of damage across parts of really the northern quarter of the state. North of I-20, every single one of these icons you're seeing on your screen is a location where we did see reports of thunderstorm wind damage. So this system did pack a punch. We had some severe thunderstorm warnings earlier this morning. We also had an isolated tornado warning for Lamar County. At this point, the severe threat looks to be shifting to our south. We will see some more rain stream into central Alabama as we approach the later afternoon hours, keeping some showers possible this evening. But the main leading edge of this line will keep moving to our south. At this point, just a few counties left in the severe thunderstorm watch, and the National Weather Service is going to allow this to expire at noon. But for now, we do still have Greene, Hale, Chilton, Coosa, Clay counties involved in this and southward. So all of the pink counties are where we'll still have to watch for the low end chance of a severe storm. Modeling shows that leading edge moving southward, few scattered showers here and there through the afternoon and into the evening hours as well. So this is about 7 p.m. So if you have Friday night plans, you are going to want to have the rain gear with you or an umbrella with you just in case. We trend drier for tomorrow before rain does return on Sunday, especially along into the south of I-20. Here is a look at the SPC outlook for today. Better chance for any kind of strong severe storms looks to be to our south through the remaining part of today. We are going to get an update on this graphic here within the next half hour or so, and I wouldn't be surprised to see this trimmed away from the north. A closer look at your weekend. Tomorrow does feature a partly sunny sky. We likely start the day tomorrow with some cloud cover around, and then those clouds break up a bit by the afternoon, allowing us to warm into the low 70s. On Sunday, we are mainly cloudy, some passing showers from time to time, especially along and to the south of I-20. Not a weekend washout though. If you do have plans, just keep an eye on the radar for the possibility of some showers. Into early next week, we see a cooler air mass arrive in Alabama. And that's going to drop our temperatures. Look at that high on Monday, upper 50s. That's below average for this time of year. By Tuesday morning, we are likely to see a freeze for parts of central and north Alabama, forecasting a low on Tuesday morning of 31 degrees. Sarah?